So the hike starts from Alto Mattana and you have a big parking here. Fantastic view. That is the Via Ferrata. And it took us about 15 minutes to get from that parking to here. A bit tough.
And we'll take a couple of minutes to feed.
It took us 46 minutes to get to the start of the trail, and it starts with this thing. You have a small cave on the top, almost on the top. How cool is this? The beginning of Via Ferrata is quite tricky, but after you've done 50 meters of wall,
Basically, the last part I didn't use the cord.
yeah, it's super simple, easy.
Like a complicated hike.
Yeah, complicated hike, and here we are. Enjoy, come here.
And it's gonna be more tricky to go down actually.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching. Ciao.